Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add a picture after posting on Instagram. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So we are on this Instagram page and we are in profile. If you click on this plus icon and choose a photo here, so let's suppose if I choose this photo here and simply click next, you can see here it's a single photo and share it. After that, open your profile, here it is. Now there is a single photo. Now, if you want to add more photos with this, what we can do is click on these dots that's showing right top side. It will show you some options there. The first thing that you can do is click on this edit. It will give you this option to edit title, location, and many more. But in order to add picture after posting, you have to click on this archive. After doing it, this photo will move into archive. Again, click on this plus icon, and here you have to choose two photos. Like you can see here, I choose these two photos. If I click on this next, and here it is. So we have successfully added a picture after posting on Instagram without deleting. So that's basically how you can add a picture after posting on Instagram. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.